We were quite involved right from the very start, just talking about the sort of school, the sort of building that we needed and that we wanted to replace our old building.
We knew we wanted to do it at Passivhaus, so we knew we had to keep the building simple. We knew what we had to achieve. We worked with a great contractor, great subcontractors, and the whole lot came together as a good team to design it on a great budget. It's all about keeping it simple and working from that day one, knowing you were going to do Passivhaus.
We took some time to actually think about how we were going to build it. We went to Germany, we did some research, we talked to a lot of other people and realised that actually we could do this.
Nothing like this had been done before in the UK. It was basically houses before that time. Obviously there were issues, public buildings, so we had issues with some details, especially doors, etc. like that, because the only Passivhaus doors at that point were domestic and weren't suitable for schools. We overcome those issues and I think we've come up with a cracking school in the end.
We're halfway through a 2-year monitoring project where we monitor thermal conditions, relative humidity and energy performance and CO2 levels.
With the good levels of CO2 in this building, we find that the children are still very attentive. They do appreciate the good air quality that we've got, and I do believe they're far more alert in what they're doing each day.
We've had good response back from the head teacher and other teachers within the school in terms of concentration level of children, because of the CO2 levels within the building remain stable and below the 1500 parts per million. The children and the pupils seem to maintain, and teachers seem to maintain, concentrated throughout the day all the way to the end of the day.
The energy consumption in Oakmeadow Primary School is very low.
Our energy bills have been reduced by as much as 90%. We had a £85,000 bill and it came down to as much as £12,000.
It's really exciting and thrilling to be able to come back to see Oakmeadow after a few years, to see the staff really engaged and loving the building that they're in, to hear the really positive response on the energy performance as well has been brilliant.
Here we are today, we did it and the client got exactly what they want, a Passivhaus school that seems to deliver.